Hey you guys, it's your girl Rob and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6, I believe, of Vlogmas. And today, as you can see of the title, I am going to be wrapping some presents. Not a good rapper. Ha! that sounds funny. But I get the job done. So, come along with me and we're going to wrap these presents together. So first I'm going to start with these little white boxes. I got some clothing items that I'm just going to put in here and then put in a box and then wrap the box. So yeah. I got these boxes from Target. If you haven't checked out my Christmas shopping decor haul vlog, go back and watch that if you want to know where I got some of these items from. They came 2 in a pack. Oh, then I'm going to get the clothes. And then take the other top of the box and just put it on top like so. And usually I would tape this box, but since I don't like the hassle of taking the tape off after I done unwrapped it, I'm not gonna wrap this. Well, I'm gonna just put one to make sure like the lid don't come off. Put one like that. So this is the first box that I'm gonna wrap up. Stick that to the side. Now I'm gonna take the other box and do the same thing. Oh y'all, I'm tired already. So I just put all the clothing items in this box. Next I'm going to, let me make sure I ain't got any other thing that need to be put in a box, or I got this bag to put some stuff into. Let me check real quick and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so what I decided what I'm going to do is I got some items in this Amazon box, so I'm going to wrap this with wrapping paper, and then I have this item that I didn't want you guys to see. I just wrapped it in tissue paper. Then I'm going to wrap this with wrapping paper, and then I have the 4 white boxes that I'm going to wrap. And then I have a couple more miscellaneous items over here to the left of me that I'm going to put in this Christmas bag. So this bag is done, and I'm not sure if I'm going to add anything else in here. So I usually would just like tape the ends of this bag like this, but since I'm not sure anything else is going in there, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just gonna put this up under the tree. So we're gonna take this box, flip it down. You want to take the ends, sometimes what my mama would do would cut the ends off like that. Then you want to fold it in. And there you have that side. So box 1 is complete. Now I'm going to put a label on the box. Now I need a pen, and I'm going to get the bows because I love putting bows on my present. Then we're going to put 2 bay and put it up on the tree. So we have our first present under the tree. Next, I'm going to take this gift. Alrighty, done with gift 2. Let's get us a label. Let's put us a bow on there. Oh, we misjudged. That'll be all right. Get our label. Get us another bow. guys, I gotta cut some more tape, so I'll be right back. I am back, you guys, from cutting the tape. So let's finish wrapping this gift. Label. Bow. Oh, this is a pretty one. Oh, we done ran out, you guys. I'm childish. Let me go get some more wrapping paper. Just got some more wrapping paper. Cheap wrapping paper. It just ripped, y'all. But I'm still gonna use this piece. Paid too much money. I just did it again. Y'all, this wrapping paper is thinner than the one that I just used. Let's be extra careful this time, y'all. Alright, you guys, so I just finished wrapping all the boxes that you've seen. Now I have this huge box that I need to wrap. But let me show you guys. So my camera is about to die, unfortunately, that I have to wrap. I will be back once my camera charges up. So you guys, I'm done with wrapping all the gifts. So I have all these gifts under the tree, and then I have these big gifts. So with the big gifts, they are half wrapped. So like the back of this tall one, you can kind of see the box. And then on the side of this box, I had to, you know what I'm saying, bootleg it up, use some of the old wrapping paper that I had from previous gifts and just put it on the side where the box was showing. And then up under the box is an open gap, so I just got it to where like the front side look fully wrapped just like that. And so everything is wrapped. I used 3 rolls of wrapping paper, so I'm pretty much going to have to buy some more wrapping paper, so whenever Thad wrap his gift for me, he will have enough. But this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm not the pro at wrapping, so I hope this encouraged you guys to wrap them gifts even though you don't know how to wrap. You know what I'm saying? It's the thought that counts. See, they look cute, but it's on the inside what counts. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for Vlogmas 7. And your girl is out. Peace.